we do not have any demands. We are representatives of people and the farmers. And it is the promises that you have made. We are only simply saying the very same promises you made, please keep them. Deliver them. But, recently, less than a year ago, we went for elections. The old government, the TRS, BRS government is dead and gone and buried. People of Telangana, we're hoping the new government will be any different. And yes, they did start on a slightly good footing. But in less than a year, they are doing exactly the same thing that the old government is doing. The hope is gone. What happened? You promised bonus on paddy, on rice. What happened to that? You give it to one farmer, not to the other. You give it to one variety of rice, not to another variety. What happened to the 2 lakh rupees Runamafi loan waiver you promised? Same thing. You gave it to some, and more than 70% of the farmers still did not get it. Then, what happened to the crop loss? Crop loss compensation. What happened? You are not able to utilize Fasal Bima Yojana. So what have you done? You are doing exactly the same thing that the old CM and the old government is doing. It is probably an ailment afflicted to the chair of the CM of Telangana. The old CM had that disease and ailment, and probably that disease and ailment is a contagious disease. And you are sitting on the same chair. And that's why the disease is passed on to you. I request the present CM, please sanitize the chair with disinfectant and sit on it. Probably you will start conducting the government in a slightly different manner and for the betterment of the farmers. You also, today, if Telangana Kisans are able to live, it is only because of whatever the central government is doing. Be it the MSP, which they have now increased, the Madad Dara we call, or be it the 6,000 rupees the farmers are getting, regardless of whether it's a big farmer or small farmer. The old scheme is rewarding only the landlords. The bigger the landlord, the bigger the amount you get, smaller farmers. Or whether it's the fertilizer subsidy, which is urea and DAP, which costs about 2,300, the central government is giving for less than 300. So any little bit that is coming to this thing, actually a lot is coming from the central government, and this government is not doing. On top of it, you are telling we are doing anything. We are doing, the state government is doing anything, central government is not. Even that you have to lie. So today we are behind. People have not. Everyone in the newspapers and TV channels are talking about Hyderabad Hydra, which is about protecting of lake. And so the whole, the narrative in Telangana is focused on Hyderabad. But that doesn't mean the farmers have forgotten. That doesn't mean the farmers' issues are solved. We are once again here reiterating that you should keep the promises you have given.